So hello friends, welcome to my channel MM Coaching Center. So today I'm going to explain your is the 10th standard geography 3rd chapter agriculture. So let's come to the chapter. So types of farming. So primitive subsistence farming. So this is the ancient method of farming is still practiced in some regions of India. In this type of farming, the members of a family or a small community cultivate food crops on a small piece of land. And intensive subsistence farming, it is a type of farming where more number of people are engaged in cultivating a small piece of land. In a small piece of land, more number of people are cultivating. And commercial farming, it is a type of farming where crops are grown on a large scale for selling them in the market. The crops are grown in a large lands. Cropping pattern. So cropping pattern what it is, the meaning means the proportion of area under various crops at a point of time. This is however a dynamic concept as it changes over space and time. Next, there are three distinct crop seasons. They are the north and the crop season in north and the interior part of country. There are the Kharif, Rabi and Zaid crops, and the Kharif reasonably large coincide with the southwest monsoon under the cultivation of tropical crops such rice, cotton, jute, jowar, bajra and tur is the crops grown in that, and they harvest in September and October. Next is the Rabi crop. It is the it begins with the sunset outside of winter in October and November, and the crops are sowed. And in April and June, the crop low temperature condition during the season facilitate the cultivation of temperature and substrate. The crops like wheat, gram, and mustard are in this year. In this these crops are came in this month. And the Zaid crop is the shortest duration crop seasons beginning after harvesting of Rabi crops, the cultivation of watermelons, cucumber, vegetable and food crops, and done on irrigating land. So irrigation well done. And major crop rice. So it is the most important kharif crop and staple food. It is grown in hot and humid condition, and the ideal temperature is 250 degrees Celsius, and rainfall is 100 centimeter of rainfall should happen in that place. So it is grown in the north and northeastern India. It is grown. And wheat. So wheat is the second most important crop in India, sown in the beginning of winter and harvested in the beginning of summer. And it is the Rabi or winter crop. It is sown normally. The sowing of the wheat begins in the month of October and November, and harvesting on March and April. And the rainfall for this crop is around 50 to 75 centimeter is needed. And it is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, and some regions wheat production is in other places like Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra also wheat production happens. Next, millets. Millets are short duration warm weather crops. Jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millet crops. Crops have very huge nutrition value, and ragi is rich in iron, calcium. So jowar is the main third most important food crop. Maharashtra is the largest production of this jowar crop, and Rajasthan is also the Bajar crop. Bajar is grown in the Rajasthan. More it is grown in the Rajasthan. Next, maize. It is a crop which is used both in food and fodder, and it is a kharif crop which is required temperature around 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and it grows well in old alluvial soil. And it is grown in some places like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh. And pulses. Pulses are India is the largest production of pulses. So there are large amount of pulses grown in India, and all these crops except Harhar helps in the restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Most of the crops that the maize crop, the pulses is grown more in Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh. Next, technology and institutional reform. So a comprehensive and land development program was made. Provision of crop insurance against drought, floods, cyclone, fire and disease was introduced. Cooperative societies, Grameen banks and banks for providing loans for the farmers for in lower rate of interest, and Kisan Credit Card KCC was introduced, and accident insurance scheme PAIC was introduced, and the government announced a minimum support price for the farmers, and technology reformers. HIV seeds, chemical fertilizers, pesticides were provided, and methods of irrigation got modernized, and the latest agriculture equipment were introduced, and special weather bulletins and agriculture programs were telecasted on radio and television. So this was your chapter, the agriculture. I think you understand about the rabi crop, zaid crop, and the kharif crop, and the other crops, the crops that are rice, wheat, and maize and pulses. About this you understand. I think so how much degree it should be, and which place they are gone. So okay friends, this all thing they may ask in your final exam, so remember that. So okay friends, like the video, comment.